Welcome to the Fast Track Guide for Knowledge 62. This skill is about network protocols. Your goal is to understand the language devices used to communicate. We organize them into a stack. Ethernet is at layer 2, local. IP is at layer 3, global. TCP is at layer 4, reliable. And OSPF acts as the navigator, helping routers find the way. First, moving data. Ethernet uses MAC addresses to deliver data locally, within your office or home. It's the local WAN driver. IP uses IP addresses to deliver data across the world. It's the international shipping system. Remember, the IP packet travels inside the Ethernet frame until it reaches a router. Next, reliability in routing. TCP is responsible for reliability. It uses a handshake to connect and resends any data that gets lost. OSPF is a routing protocol. It constantly calculates the shortest path through the network mesh. TCP guarantees the data is correct. OSPF guarantees the path exists. For your portfolio, use this STARR example. Situation: a branch office router failed. Task: I needed to restore connectivity using a backup. Action: I configured OSPF on the backup router to learn the routes dynamically. I verified the IP addressing was correct and checked TCP connections to critical servers. Result: service was restored in 10 minutes. Reflection: I learned that dynamic protocols like OSPF are essential for fast recovery. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you now feel more confident in mastering this topic. If you found value in this session, I have a small favor to ask. Please hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and follow our channel. It really means a lot to me and helps the algorithm show these lessons to other apprentices just like you who need support. Don't forget, you can download today's slides and the full transcript at www.mentorinai.com EPA Hub. While you are there, check out our mock interview and portfolio review services to make sure you are fully ready for your EPA. See you in the next video. Keep learning.